G Kaushik. I am studying in SNS College of Technology. I am going to talk about CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching. Artificial Intelligence. What is intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a demonstrably by machines or opposite to natural intelligence displayed by animals including humans. AI application. AI application includes advanced web search engine, Google's recommended system used in YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix. Understanding human search, self-driving cars like a Tesla, automated making and completed at high level in gaming system. Type of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be divided based on capability and functionalities. There are three type of artificial intelligence: narrow artificial intelligence, general AI, super AI. Under functionality, we have four types of artificial intelligence: reactive machines, limited theory, theory of mind, self-awareness. Self-awareness. Industry run by artificial intelligence. AI, artificial intelligence, is now being used in almost every sector in business, transformation, healthcare, banking, retail, entrepreneurship, e-commerce. AI, artificial intelligence used in mechanical engineering. Artificial intelligence is a modern term with connects machine learning. Machine learning used in statistical methods to allow machine to improve with experience. Deep learning against is the subset of machine learning which use multi-layer neural networks that human brain can learn incredible defects task with enough data. We are going to talk about deep learning and its possible role in the field of mechanical engineering. Methodology. The process took place in 7 steps. We will get the details later. The brief summary is data collection. Data collection for each classes was collected from various standard part library on the internet. Data preparation. Each isometrical view screenshot we taken for each images and reduced to 224 into 224 pixel. Model selection. A sequence CNN model was selected as it was simply and good for image classification. Train the model. The model was trained our date 7616 images with 8 by 20 train set split. Evaluation the model. The result of the model were elevated was how well it prepared the classes. Hyperparameter turning. This process is done to turn the hyperparameter to get better results. We have already turned our models in the case. Make preparation, check how it's real and old data. Data collection. We download the part data of various nuts and bolts, the different parts libraries on the internet. The websites have equivalent 3D model standard like data collection, data preparation, data. 3. Machine learning in industries. The industry world is a constant state change. Machine learning will change mechanical engineering and thus many users in the industries. Implementation has already now the focus in our consent application and implementation. Machine learning brings many new and exciting approach, especially for mechanical engineering. The efficiency, flexibility, and quality of our system can be improved with the help of available data. New business model for customer or developer. Machine learning ensure that software and information technology are increasable. The key drives innovation in mechanical engineering. Yeah, in many industries, the increasing inchargeability of An individual machine will mean that in future no only the machine itself will be sold but allow all supplementary service. It also explains why machine learning is on the management and in many specification areas of mechanical engineering compounds. We does the technology come from in many industries, the increased capability of individual machines will be mean that in future not only the machine itself, it will be solved. Machine learning and AI technologies. Machine learning companies are privately users of AI technology, but as provider of industry solution, they play all a center role in application of AI in industries value chains. Machine Machines or equipment bring AI technologies as enabled AI to vary of customer and industries. Mechanical engineering built on its experience in effect technology designs human machine cooperation. For example, robotics, automation, or sensor technology. It is necessary for the BDME to support its number companies in the AI technology, but it is also improved for US to combat the fact based on and debated in politics and societies with a view to create shape the society framework. For mechanical engineering, AI is above of opportunities to maintain worldwide leadership. AI helps to increase efficiency to develop new business model. Production process can be optimized and machine service are extended by integrated function through enabled AI solutions. AI solutions will be factor in futures of mechanical products and process. In this context, good AI builds on expert both in existing technology and these application areas. Built upon engineering plays a key role in development and uses. Thank you.